All right, the big question, has this tidal wave of COVID-19 cases peaked in Houston? That's what doctors and everyone else are watching closely.
As Stephanie Whitfield shows us, some are optimistic as numbers finally seem to be moving in the right direction.
Omicron pushed COVID-19 cases higher than ever before in Houston. Now, health officials say the end of that wave may be near.
So the numbers are, in fact, starting to move in the right direction. And of course, our earliest indicator of changes is the wastewater.
Dr. David Purse with the Houston Health Department says wastewater tests show the spread of the virus is slowing down.
Also, we have seen that hospitalizations at some hospitals have leveled off. A couple of hospitals have told me they've actually seen a small decrease in the number of patients that are in the hospital.
At Memorial Hermann Hospital, there are currently around 900 patients admitted with COVID-19. That was the peak during the Delta surge over the summer. Doctors are hopeful we've reached a peak again.
I don't know that we've hit it. I know sometimes there's a little bit of finagling, but I think we're awfully close if we haven't hit it already.
Health officials say they need a few more days of data to know for sure if the worst is behind us. But as of today, at least things aren't getting worse.
The virus finds it more difficult to spread for a reason. It's because we change what we're doing that makes it more difficult for the virus. That's why the curves change. So now that it's changing, we don't need to stop doing what we're doing. What we're doing is working. If we stop that, the numbers will start going back up again.
Here's another promising sign. The number of City of Houston employees out sick with COVID-19 peaked at around 1,000 employees just after the new year, and most were police and firefighters. Well, that number has almost been cut in half in this point. The numbers have been steadily dropping for a week and a half. In the Texas Medical Center, Stephanie Whitfield, KHOU 11 News.